Hey everyone! Today I'm doing a quick review of RimaTech, an online shop that sells gadgets and outdoor gear. I'll run you through what they offer, what looks good, and what you should watch out for so you can decide if it's worth your time. RimaTech offers a variety of tech and outdoor products. For example, the Rima Aquion, Rima Skyview, Rima Swing V4K, and Rima Valen. They're promoting big discounts, such as 40 to 49% off on many items, and they claim to ship worldwide. They also have a 30-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty. On the positive side, the product pages show features like rugged builds, weather-resistant designs, strong battery life, built-in tools for outdoor use such as GPS, altimeter, flashlights, and reliable connectivity options. But there is a red flag too. On the site's own page, they claim good reviews, but on Trustpilot, there are only two reviews, both giving 1 star and one user calling the rating claim false. So while the products might look attractive and the discounts tempting, the lack of long history, few verified reviews, and new domain status mean you should proceed with caution. If you're thinking of buying, I'd recommend to check if your payment method supports buyer protection. Read the fine print of shipping and returns. Maybe try a smaller purchase first. Don't commit too much until you see the actual product quality and delivery performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you next time!